Can you beat this alphabet word challenge? 50 question, 6 seconds for each question. One correct answer carry 1 marks. Before starting the video, subscribe the channel for more exciting quizzes. Now let's start it. Guess the two countries starting with I. India or Italy. Guess the two animals starting with T. Tiger or tortoise. Guess the two fruits starting with M. Yes, mango or melon. Guess the two capital cities starting with letter B. Yes, Berlin or Bangkok. Guess the two car brands starting with F. Yes, Ferrari or Ford. Guess the two mobile brands starting with S. Samsung or Sony. Guess the two rivers starting with N. Nile or Niger. Guess the two famous actors starting with R. Guess the two sports starting with C. Yes, cricket or cycling. Guess the two apps starting with I. Instagram or Imo. Guess the two countries starting with P. Pakistan or Portugal. Guess the two birds starting with E. Eagle or egret. Guess the two fast food items starting with B. Burger or burrito. Guess the two luxury brands starting with L. Louis Vuitton or Lamborghini. Guess the two mountains starting with K. Guess the two cities starting with D. Dubai or Delhi. Guess the two gadgets starting with H. Headphone or hard drive. Guess the two movies starting with A. Avatar or Avengers. Guess the two vegetables starting with C. Carrot or cabbage. Guess the two companies starting with T. Tesla or Toyota. Guess the two animals starting with Z. Guess the two drinks starting with O. Guess the two Iceland starting with M. Guess the two football club starting with A. Guess the two programming language starting with P. Python or PHP. Guess the two countries starting with S. Spain or Sweden. Guess the two YouTubers starting with M. Guess the two airlines starting with Q. Qatar Airways or Qantas. Guess the two deserts starting with C. Cake or cupcake. Guess the two mobile apps starting with T. TikTok or Telegram. Guess the two capital cities starting with J. Jakarta or Jerusalem. Guess the two cities starting with W. Washington or Warsaw. Guess the two animals starting with L. Lion or leopard. Guess the two shoe brand starting with N. Nike or New Balance. Guess the two historical places starting with P. Petra or pyramids. Guess the two snakes starting with S. Samosa or sandwich. Guess the two tech companies starting with A. Apple or Amazon. Guess the two rivers starting with G. Guess the two cartoon characters starting with D. Donald Duck or Doraemon. Guess the two space objects starting with M. Mars or Moon. Guess the two countries starting with U. USA or UAE. Guess the two car models starting with C. Civic or Corolla. Guess the two perfume brands starting with D. Guess the two mobile games starting with F. Guess the two occupations starting with E. Engineer or electrician. Guess the two famous monuments starting with T. Taj Mahal or Tower of London. Guess the two animals starting with P. Panda or penguin. Guess the two clothing brands starting with Z. Guess the two musical instruments starting with G. Last one. Guess the two oceans starting with A. Arabian Sea or Arctic Ocean.